Welcome. Today I am with CUBOT X18 and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So at the first, you have to prepare a good source of light. We have to see every mess that we have on the screen, and in my case there's a lot of fingerprint and also a few pieces of the dust. Next, if you prepare that light, you can open the box with your tempered glass. So inside you will find for sure the tempered glass. And also we will get the two wipes. There it is. And here we have the wet and the dry wipe. We are going to use the wet one at the first. And sometimes this wet is dry. So you can use something like window cleaner and apply it like that, and it will be wet. Just in case. Okay, right now we have to make the moves in the circle and reach a very corner that you have on your phone, a very edge. Next, as you can see right now, it looks much better. So we remove fingerprint and other mess from the display. Next, we have to use the dry wipe. So let's make it. Okay, and it's finished. As you can see right now, our display looks definitely better. There is no any fingerprints or any dust on the screen. Right now we have to remove this sticker from our tempered glass, so let's make it just like that. And there it is. Keep holding the bottom part and put the upper section of the tempered glass to your screen. Okay, right now just check if everything is fine and if your glass is in a good position on the both sides. Okay, in my case everything is fine. So let's put it just like that, and as you can see it goes almost automatically. And you can remove this air bubble just like that by pressing with your finger. Of course, in this smartphone we got a little bit curved edges, so on the edges we are going to get the air lines, and you cannot remove it. As you can see, you can press and it will be still here on the edges. So unfortunately you have to get used to it, or just buy a little bit smaller tempered glass, a little bit wider. And if this air bubble comes again, you can press it another time. Just like that. And as you can see, right now it's fine. So we can open our device, and as you can see, there is no any problem with touch interaction. And that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.